Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video which is based on new important notice from GDMS account. I hope all you have received a mail from GDMS which is related to MFA required soon for all GDMS accounts. So in the mail there is mandatory multi-factor authentication for all GDMS account starting from March 2026, and you have to enable it before March 2026. If you will not enable this, your account will be inactive. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable MFA for your GDMS account. So first of all, you have to log in your GDMS account, and on the top right corner of your account click on that and see the user setting option. Click over there. A new page will be open, and on the bottom you will see an option of multi-factor safety authentication. So enable this, and once you enable it you will have multiple options like email authentication, authentication app, TOTP hardware token, and FIDO security key. So if you select email authentication, it will send a code on your email ID from which you have created the GDMS account. And on the second option, authentication app, you need install mobile application of Google Authenticator or any MFA authentication application. Then you will receive a code for authentication one time, and whenever you log in your account from next, you will have to enter the code as well with your account password. And TOTP hardware is also the same. It will receive a code and you have to enter. And the FIDO security key is a pen drive based security key. So I'll tell you for email authentication. So click on that and you will receive a 6-digit verification code on your mail ID. Then enter it and MFA is enabled for your email ID. Okay, and if you enable authentication app, so in this condition you have to install the app first. Let me show you. So I have installed Google Authenticator app on my mobile and I'm going to open it. Now here just follow the steps, get started and select your email ID. So I have selected my email ID and continue as VoIP. Now click on the add a code and choose scan a QR code. Okay, now you can see the second step is for show QR code. So click on that, and in your mobile phone you place the scanner, so it will show you a code which is for 30 seconds. So you have to enter the code within 30 seconds. So my code is 404695. This is the first code, and wait for the second code. So this one is the second code, 830978. So authentication enabled successfully on my account. And if I log out my account, now you can see it is asking you have enabled multi-factor authentication. Please enter the code on your security software token. So on my mobile, the code is, and click OK. So my account, GDMS account, is enabled with MFA. So I have to enter the code every time whenever I log in my GDMS portal, and you have to enable this before March 2026. After that you will not be able to log in your account. So just follow and enable MFA on your GDMS account before March 2026. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.